And for more on this, I'm now joined by Tom Vogt, who lives in Brooklyn. Hello, Tom. What was it like when you got up this morning then? How are you coping there?
Everything seems to be fine. Definitely the winds have subsided. It was still a bit rainy, but the winds have decreased considerably, so it's been pretty, I think we've totally escaped it, pretty much unharmed, at least in Brooklyn.
Now, the subway's not running yet. Are you managing to plan ahead in terms of transport to get around with your daily life and your job?
Well, we're expecting the subways to come back, I think, on Monday or as early as Friday, but there's still no firm date of when they're going to have the subways working and available for transport, so we don't know yet.
Are you quite hopeful that your city will be back to normal pretty soon?
Yeah, I mean, we're hoping that everything kind of is up and running as soon as possible. I think the buses, they're talking about either tomorrow or Thursday, but at this point we don't know for sure. So everybody's kind of in limbo as far as what's going to happen. So we're just kind of waiting to see.
Now, you say there's a certain amount of things where you're in limbo, you're not exactly sure what's going on. What do you feel about the information that you've been getting from the authorities generally? Do you think it's been quite satisfactory, or do you have any complaints?
No, not really. I think that it's been a major storm, and I think the priorities have been taking care of the hardest hit areas, which have been central New Jersey, and I think there's been some flooding in the East Village and West Village, some in Brooklyn, some surface damage in Brooklyn, but nothing major. But I think we're just trying to see whatever can happen to kind of make everything back to normal as far as like power and all that. So
you seem to understand that obviously these are exceptional circumstances, so it's going to take a bit of time. But is that the general attitude of people around you?
Yeah, I think so. But like New Yorkers, we're pretty malleable. I think we just kind of go with the flow, and I think everybody's kind of finding a way to sort of function even in these kind of difficult times. So people are sort of making do as is, and I think it's kind of the sort of the New York spirit and attitude in general.
Tom Vogt, thank you very much for joining us from Brooklyn.